Hello? Is anyone home up there? It's me, your lungs. We need to talk. I'm literally suffocating down here.
You climb one flight of stairs and I feel like I just ran a marathon. We are out of shape, buddy. Seriously out of shape.
I'm not a vacuum cleaner bag. Look at this dust. Every time you walk in traffic without a mask, I have to clean up the mess. My cilia are your first line of defense, and they are passing out because the air quality is just toxic.
Whoa! Vape attack! It smells like strawberries, but it feels like chemical warfare! Stop it! You are burning me! When you are stressed, you take these tiny, shallow breaths. It's like putting me in a corset. I need room to expand. Let me breathe. The heart is my neighbor, and he's working overtime because I can't get enough oxygen to him. We are dragging the whole team down. Ugh, look at this mucus. It's like glue. If you don't drink water, this stuff gets thick and traps bacteria. Help me flush it out. I remember when I was pink and bouncy. Now I feel gray and heavy.
Incoming! Fine dust PM 2.5. I'm dodging bullets here every time you go out. I can't filter everything, you know?
That cough? That's not just a noise. That is me screaming for help. That is me trying to eject the poison you inhaled. Whoa, slow down. This anxiety breathing is making us dizzy. Control the rhythm. In and out. I'm losing elasticity. That means I can't bounce back. Once I'm floppy, there is no going back. Do you understand the gravity of this? Oh wait, is that water? Yes! Hydration! Finally! Okay, let's try a deep breath. Inhale, hold it. Deeper. Yes. Feel that oxygen hitting the bottom corners? That is what I need. Nature, fresh air. This is like a spa day for me. Get out of the city and find me some trees. I crave the green stuff. See, if you stop the bad habits, I can actually repair myself a bit. I'm resilient, but you have to give me a fighting chance.
With good health, I can fight off flu and viruses like a champion. But you gotta be my corner man. Feed me right, treat me right.
I supply oxygen to your brain, your muscles, your entire existence. Without me, you are nothing. I'm the hero you forgot about.
Cardio. Yes! Get that heart rate up. Make me work. I love a good workout. It clears out the cobwebs and makes me strong.
Apples, broccoli, nuts. Antioxidants are my best friends. They stop the inflammation. Feed me the good stuff, not the junk.
Sleep is when I do my deepest cleaning.
This is a non-negotiable. No smoke, no vape, no exceptions. You want to live a long life? Cut it out. Period.
Ventilation! Open your windows. Let the stale air out. I need circulation. Don't lock me in a stuffy box all day. Laughing! It actually forces stale air out and fresh air in. It's a workout that'll actually fun. So go ahead, tell me a joke.
Mindful breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Calm the mind, calm the lungs. It's all connected, my friend.
Look at me now. This is what a healthy pair of lungs looks like. We are efficient, we are powerful, we are ready for anything. You've been drinking water and taking walks? Good job. I feel great. Let's keep this momentum going. I'm your first line of defense against the world. Protect me, and I will protect you for the rest of your life. That's a promise. Every breath is a gift. Don't waste it on smoke. Don't shorten it with stress. Cherish it. So what do you say? Let's make a deal. You treat me right, and I'll keep you running until you're 100. Shake on it? I love being your lungs. Take care of me, and we will have many more adventures together. Bye for now.